Hello guys, we're gonna do how to do pullover. First of all, give your right signal and check blind spot. Look at this rear mirror and stop on the right side of the road. Your position should be close to the curb. After pullover, examiner is gonna ask you downhill parking or uphill parking. So we have 4 hill parking. So if you memorize one, you're gonna know everything. So uphill with curb, so all the way, the wheel all the way to the left. Then, so should we touch the curb? If you touch the curb for the exam purpose, it's better. Or slowly move the car. Yeah. Slowly touch the curb. Then park and handbrake. So this is uphill parking with curb. So when you are leaving, first of all, handbrake down and drive. The wheel already turned. Check your blind spot. If you have enough distance, you can move. Otherwise, you have to move back. Check blind spot. I think I have enough distance. Then we are moving now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like our videos. See you in the next video.